How to import contacts from Gmail to Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. First of all, what you need to do is make sure that you have logged into your Gmail with the particular account that you want to associate with, so that you get the contacts from that Gmail to your Android. So I've already done that in my Gmail account. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the settings application here over, then scroll down and tap on accounts and sync, then scroll down and tap on Google. After that, you'll be able to see different accounts that you have logged into in Gmail. So I'm going to select the one that I want to import contacts from. So after tapping on the accounts, you'll be able to see different options over here, from calendar, contacts, documents, drive, Gmail, and slides. So you just have to select on which you want to sync. So tap on the contacts. Now it's syncing, so it's already synced now. So after that, you'll be able to import contacts from Gmail to Android. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today, and see you next time.